Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 15-piece airbrush adapter set. Alright, so right here we have our 15-piece adapter set for our airbrush gun. So the kit includes 7 pieces of different types of 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch male and female connectors, 2 pieces with quick disconnect connections, adjustable pressure, and 6 pieces of 1/8 inch male connectors, which constitute a well-matched combination for daily use. So I removed the bottom portion that came with my airbrush gun. We're going to open up to these adapters. So this will help bring convenience and help. The adapter kit will be a practical tool in your daily life, which can provide with a lot of help and convenience when you're using your air gun. You can save a lot of time and effort when replacing because you do get 15 different pieces. They are super easy to install with any use of any complex tools. So you can see that these ones here have an adapter. So in order for these adapters to work, I'm going to put the bottom part back onto my airbrush gun and attach them. So the airbrush kit is simply designed for a spray gun connection, so you can use a spray gun whether it is to do food sprays, painting sprays, or in my case I use this for a foundation spray. So you can see that this one here connects to the bottom of my airbrush gun. This one does as well. You just screw it right up in here depending on the bottom part that you have for your air gun. You can see how easy it is to switch them out. Some of them are a little bit bigger, so they might need another adapter. So this one here is a little bit too big. It doesn't fit mine. But you do have this other piece right here that will fit on right there. Again, it just depends on what the bottom port of your airbrush gun is. So right here, you can connect all the other different ones. So these ones are between the 8 inch, 1/8 inch, and a 1/4 inch, male and females, 6 pieces of a 1/8 inch. These are airbrush adapter kits that are made of quality metal material, which features a sturdy constructions and long-lasting performance. They are not easy to break or deform. These are rust-proof, and it shows a metallic luster, which is safe on the surface. It is easy to carry. So if you're using the hose, you just slip the hose right up in here, a really tiny hose. So if you use something that actually uses a different connector like this actual hose does. So this is all the adapters that you need to run your airbrush, whether you're using it for foundation, painting cakes or something like that, or actually using paint. This is a great kit. It does come with 15 different pieces. If you're looking for an airbrush different piece kit, I would highly recommend checking this one out.